alternate universe. It's like the 8th of December. It shows up at your house, right? But it's a wrapped gift.
Yo,
now,
why on you?
Because yo, we be drinking, bro. Like, what are you talking about right now? Like, yo, who wears white and then you can drink red wine? It's gonna get on you, bro. It's gonna happen. It's gonna jump out the glass at you. Like, yo, this is freak show you drinking right now, bro. It's gonna defy like logic. It's gonna defy like gravity, all that.
I'm not drunk. He's not drunk.
Anyway,
okay.
so it shows up on the 9th of December or something, and obviously you're not supposed to open it till the 25th. Do you set yourself up and put it under the tree, and it's sitting there ticking time bomb while your person sitting there like, yo, I wonder what Becky got him. I wonder what let me use this most Jamaican name. Donovan.